Another lesson I learned is the importance of knowing your self-value and your self-worth. Because when you live alone, you learn things about yourself, right? You do. But let me tell you something real quick. Let me tell you something. I don't know if any other solo traveler has experienced this. When you travel solo, you learn even more about yourself. Because you end up being in situations you won't find yourself in your city. And when you're in the situation and you make it through, you be like, I can't believe I just did that. I can't believe I just experienced that. I can't believe I just bungee jumped off of this high place. My heart was pumping. I thought I was going to pass out. But yet I jumped, and here I am, I survived. God, I thank you. So when I say like self-appreciation, self-value, and worth, I feel like stuff like that makes you stop limiting yourself. And when you do that, you find yourself not allowing others to limit you too. You let it be known, no, actually, I can do more than that. Actually, I'm worth more than that. Actually, I'm more valued than that. You know how I know? Because I put myself in situations that has taught me I'm worth more. My value is a lot higher than what you think, and it's a lot higher than what I think. And I appreciate it. I appreciate how God has made me. I appreciate the way I think. I appreciate how I push myself. I appreciate how I do things even though I'm nervous. And it makes me accept more and more my self-worth. Those are just a few lessons that I've learned. I would love to know some of your lessons. So to my travel babes, what are some lessons you've learned from solo traveling? Inspired by the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 7. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Amen.